Hello, good morning, and welcome to, I think it's Vlogmas Day 4. So if the quality looks different, that's because I've actually pulled out my camera today, and I've decided it's time to attack my kitchen in all of its messy glory. So that's what we'll be doing this morning. Also, please ignore the clock on my stove. It says it's 3:24. It is not. I just don't care to set it. I'm lazy. So, let's get started. So here's what we're looking like. I mean, not perfect, but definitely better than where we started. That's how I was filming, in case you were wondering. I also used the toaster as a prop. And my little corner of shame over here is looking a lot better too. Two sleepy babies this morning. Very different than yesterday. Cooper hasn't even left his crate today. So sleepy. Cooper has, of course, per usual, taken my bath mats hostage. The flower is supposed to be here. Oh. All right, go get him. Yeah, Coop, to sleep on the expensive pillow. I got it for you, really. And you just take the blanket. Everything's good. Hey, Coop, I need those to keep folding boxes for work. It's not a new bed. You're just being sweet. That's not suspicious at all. I love you. Hello. It has been a few hours since the last time I picked up the camera. I am home from Pilates. After Pilates, I went to my friend Victoria's house. We had tacos and hung out. The dogs had a great time, but I am home now. It's about 10 p.m., I think. So I am doing my skincare and getting ready to wind down. I'm just waiting for my skincare to dry. But it felt really good to get out of the house today. I feel like I've caught a little bit of cabin fever in a way that was kind of just making me a little meh. So it was good to get out. It's good to see Victoria. It was good to do Pilates. And I'm definitely sore. So we had a great time. And this is the last chill day I have before the wedding. So my brother's wedding is on Sunday. He's marrying my sister-in-law, and we're super, super excited. So tomorrow I do mani-pedis. Friday is spray tan, and Saturday is rehearsal. We're driving up to the wedding on Saturday. So very busy, very exciting. All that being said, I definitely will not be vlogging the day of the wedding. And if I do happen to catch any clips, I doubt I would post them to the internet. So there will not be a day 9 of Vlogmas. I might film still on Saturday It just depends on what we're doing. It's not going to be a very exciting day. It's going to be me in the car, me unpacking, and me getting ready. So we'll see, but definitely I don't think on Sunday, unless something happens, I guess. I don't want to say definitely not, but probably not. So that's the vibe. And yeah, all of that being said, it was nice to get out of the house today, to do something for me, to do some Pilates, connect with my body, and have a good night. So tomorrow starts wedding prep, and I also still have to write a toast. Ma'am, I sleep there. I do. I sleep there every night. Because really, that's kind of crazy. I didn't know that. You guys want to say goodnight to the vlog? They said, no, we're already asleep. Good night. Thank you guys so much for watching. As you can see, the pimple patches are on, and it is definitely time for me to go to bed. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.